Welcome back, guys. You're watching XanTech, and today we're going to be talking about the SteamLink. Now, I know this has been out for a while now, but this is the first time I've got my hands on it. Haven't tried this before, just got given it by a friend, so I thought, why not do a little review, see what we think. Now, in the past, if you wanted to play games on your TV with your computer, you'd either have to drag your computer to the living room next to the TV, wire it all up, but as we all know, that is a pain in the butt. Or you could get some super long cables, trail them all the way through your house, depending where your computer is and where your big screen TV is. And again, that isn't too pleasant to do. So that's where the SteamLink comes in. Now, before we get into all the ins and outs of it, let's take a closer look what's inside the box and go from there. Okay, so now we've got it out of the box, but before we continue, I have to apologize. I've had a bit of a cold, got the sniffles, so excuse me if I sniff once or twice during filming. You know what they say, the show must go on. So, in the box, of course, you get your quick start guide for your SteamLink. You got the SteamLink, the product guide, of course, here. You have your power cable and adapter with an assortment of plug heads. So depending on whether you live in the US, the UK or Europe, you can plug it in and get started straight away. Then, of course, we have the SteamLink itself. It's very sturdy, it's compact, very slick design, very nice. You have 3 USB 2.0 ports, so you can plug in your peripherals, a game controller, your mouse or keyboard. You have your power jack here. You have a connection for your Ethernet cable and the HDMI. Of course, you can plug this through your network using Ethernet cable or wirelessly. The SteamLink really couldn't be easier to use. You power it on, connect all your peripherals, your controller, your mouse, your keyboard, select your language settings, choose your home network. Once that's all done, you select your computer from the list, click connect, then you input the one-time 4-digit code and you're good to go. Once you've done that, you'll see your connected computers in the list. Click on the one that you want to connect to, and that will launch the big picture mode on your selected PC. Now, the SteamLink is great for games, just streaming your games and your content from your PC to your TV, but I do recommend that you use it wired. If you use it wirelessly, you're going to have difficulty maintaining really high frame rates and that picture clarity that I'm sure you desire. And of course, if you have a PC powerful enough to play Steam in home streaming mode, in big picture mode, then you don't have to worry about something like this. Overall, this is a good little gadget. You can do a lot more with the NVIDIA Shield, but then again, it will cost you a lot more than this. And of course, being NVIDIA Shield, it's only limited to NVIDIA graphic cards. So there's the downside. Also, if you ask me, is this still worth it in 2023? I'm going to go ahead and say maybe. It depends on you, depends on your hardware. If you live in Europe, I definitely wouldn't say it's worth it. It's still 94 euros. In the US, this should be about $50. In the UK, it's 45 pounds. So that's not too much to go for. But in Europe, almost 100 euros. I'm going to say definitely no. And unfortunately, that's all the time we have time. Well, and now that's all. Oh my God. Well, that's it for today. Join me again next week where I'm going to be unboxing this GeForce GTX 1080 Ti and plugging it into my PC to see how it handles today's games. Should be a good one. I'll see you then. Take care.